In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings and choose Bluetooth. Now click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for the pop-ups to show, and in order to continue, select pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can click on this little icon next to the device and choose unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!